Hey, what is going on, everybody? How you doing? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, I'm here from Jacksonville, Florida. Hey, how you doing? Listen, real quickly, I want to title this video today: why you should attend MLSP's Live the Dream event. But before I do get into that, guys, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to click subscribe at the bottom there. Also, to the very right there, at that bell, just click that bell so you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So, why should you attend MLSP's Live the Dream? And I've done a video on this before. I think I've probably do it every year, because this is one of the best events, I would have to say. And it starts next week. If you're watching this video a week before, it starts next week, August 10th through the 12th in Austin, Texas. If you are an entrepreneur, you need to be here. I can tell you one of the best ways to build any kind of business is to go to events. Whether it be your events for your company, whether it be events for whatever you're doing, or even just marketing events like Live the Dream, where you can go and you can meet successful entrepreneurs, people that may be like you where you're at in your entrepreneur journey, and that you can build relationships, and that you can network, and that you can sharpen your axe, you can sharpen your skills to become a better entrepreneur. By far, this is one of the best events, one of my most favorite events to go to for as an entrepreneur. I've been going this for probably about 5-6 years, and I will continue to go because it helps me every year I go. I come back owning something new, being refueled and re-energized to really pursue my dreams and goals of my own business. So real quickly, I'm kind of go, why you should attend the event. Again, events are important. You just see that camaraderie with other entrepreneurs. But real quickly here, we'll go here. Why live the dream? And it says the best at what they do, sharing their #1 strategies to help you build your business. Why attend Live the Dream? What will you get when you join us in Austin? Here's an idea of what you get. I mean, truly a great 2-day event. It's going to go over funnel creation, traffic, leads and sales, blogging, branding, content strategy, meditation, growth, and transformation. I mean, all of these things, all of these strategies, all of these skill sets that you're going to learn. And I love this part right here where it says you will walk away from this event with a crystal clear action plan that focuses on completing the $10,000 hour activities in your specific business daily so you can get results. Just a great example. A quick video that we can watch here on why you should live the dream, and then I'll continue on and I'll end this video for today.
Here at the Live the Dream event, and I gotta tell you, before I found My Lead System Pro, I was struggling. And I saw these people online, I saw the videos, I saw that this was an event that was available to come to, and I thought, I'm gonna come and see if these guys are for real. That's what I wanted to know. I wanted to know if they really had what I was looking for, and I gotta tell you, they absolutely do.
A lot of people think this is just about making money, but you know what? This is about family. Okay? If you're looking for clarity and for everything to come together so you can understand everything a little bit better. If you're someone who's just getting started like I am, this is the place to be, and today I can tell you I know exactly what I'm going to do when I get back home. Come here, get all the answers, go back home, make it happen.
If you have an opportunity to ever make it to Live the Dream with My Lead System Pros, you need to do it. It's going to change your life, it's going to open your eyes, it's going to take you to a whole nother level.
It was clear, the training was clear, concise. We got to rock with 6-figure, 7-figure earners
who were willing to share the information that they have to help us get to the next level. MLSP is simply the best. Hope we see you here next year.
My third Live the Dream event, and I'm going to tell you, those guys, Brian Norbert and the gang, they take it to the next level every year. I will be here next year. Don't miss out.
If you want what top earners have, you got to do what top earners do, and all top earners go to live events. Live the Dream 8 by MLSP is the best event of the year. It's my favorite event every single year. I long for it all year long to go. If you want a life-changing experience, if you're ready to take a massive leap forward in your business and literally carve 6 to 12 months off your learning curve, you need to be at Live the Dream 8.
Live the Dream is the stomping ground for top marketers, and I promise you, rock stars will be born out of that room. The only question is, will one of them be you?
Live the Dream has been one of the most talked about, most popular, must-be-at events for the past 7 years. Events is where you go to rub shoulders with leaders. It's where you go to get their secrets. Where you go to make connections and network with other people, right?
At Live the Dream 7, I watched leaders emerge. I watched decisions get made. I watched light switches go off. And I watched people right in front of my eyes. I watched their lives change forever. So make the decision right now that could literally change the course of your life and your family's life.
Now, one of the key factors to my success is the fact that I went to Live the Dream 6. Live the Dream 6 happened 3 months after I came into MLSP, and it absolutely catapulted my success. I learned so much there. I came home and absolutely crushed it in my business. I found that fire at this event. I learned so much. I applied it. I used that fire, and I got the results. Same thing can happen to you.
There's no event like this out there. You're going to come away armed and ready to take your business to the next level. So you got to get to live the dream.
Man, guys, that is so powerful. I just love watching that video. So, I mean, if you didn't see what from that video why you should be attending Live the Dream, just come down and look at some of the testimonials and things of people that you may know online, that you may have seen online, that may have done some great things. And of course, again, as always, there'll be a link at the bottom here. You can go and check it out yourself. But just some great stories from other entrepreneurs like yourself that have attended Live the Dream. So there is still time for you to register for this event. And just a little bit of the speakers, of course, the founders of Live the Dream, just great guys. Brian and Norbert will be, some of the speakers at Live the Dream. And then Pat Flynn, Mike Dillard, the grandfather or the godfather of attraction marketing. Hal Elrod, creator of the Miracle Morning. Daryl Eves, a YouTube expert. Diane Hockman, Peter Vargas, Mark Harbert, Vince Reed, Lisa Torres, Todd and Leah Getz, Jesse Jamison. More speakers, more people to help you grow your business. Again, it's at downtown Austin. It's a great hotel. I'm looking forward to that. And just more testimonials, guys. So here's the thing. There's 2 options that you have right now as of this video to purchase your ticket to Live the Dream. You can either go and just get the sessions only, or you can go as a general admission where you get access to the sessions, you get the Live the Dream recordings, you get a pre-event mastermind before the event, and you get a Live the Dream 10-year birthday gift bag, because this is their 10-year anniversary. So that's my video for today, guys. Again, it's next week, starts next Friday. Register for the event. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. God bless you. Peace.